Today let's talk about visual intelligence. I'm gonna show you how to use it. It is very simple. So here is the interface of the app itself. Now first, in order to be able to use visual intelligence on your iPhone, especially your new iPhone, iPhone 16, 16 Plus, 16 Pro, or 16 Pro Max. So to be able to use it, you need to make sure you go into setting, and then under setting you're gonna find Apple Intelligence and Siri. And now make sure the Apple Intelligence option is turned on, and then you're gonna find a new button on the right side on your new iPhone. All you have to do, just go ahead and hold on it. It should bring you a new option, visual intelligence. Now let me example for you. I'm gonna place the iPhone in my in the front, and let me take a photo. And after that, you should be able to have a lot of options where you can ask, where you can search, and then we have more options right here. So now I'm going to click on search, and then it is going to identify an object and search on Google for me. This is the iPhone 6s. So we have a lot of websites pop up here. Let me click this one for an example, and then it brings you into a website that you are going to check. So it is a very cool feature, but I think this is the one that Apple copied from Samsung. But anyway, that's it. And one more, you can just click on this button. It is going to search whatever it see in the picture right here. And just like that. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then we see you guys in the next one.